Hi everyone. Let us see about data types in Java. Before going to see data types, we can learn about what is meant by data. Data is any value or information that a variable can store. Example, number, decimal, character, string. Now let us move on to data types. Data types tells the compiler what type of value to be stored in a variable and also tells how much memory size it needs. Data types are divided into two, primitive and non-primitive data types. Primitive data types are also known as simple data types. A primitive data type is predefined by the language itself. In this video, we can see about primitive data types. Primitive data types is further classified into numeric types and non-numeric types. Whereas the non-numeric data types are also known as reference types, and non-primitive data types are classes, interface, and arrays. This is the overall view of data types in Java. Integer and float comes under numeric primitive data types. Whole numbers are represented using integer data types. There are 4 integer types. They are byte, short, int, and long. All these data types are signed, positive, and negative. But Java does not support unsigned types. Out of 4, we can see one by one. First one we can see about byte data type. Smallest numeric data type is byte. It is declared using the keyword byte. It requires 1 byte, that is 8 bit of memory. Its range is from -128 to +128. It is 4 times smaller than an integer, so it is used to save memory. For example, here x and y, two variables are declared as a byte data types. Next, we can see about short data type. Short keyword is used to declare a variable as a short data type. It occupies 2 bytes, that is 16 bits. Its range is from -32768 to +32767. It is 2 times smaller than an integer. We can see 2 examples. Here x is a variable declared as a short data type, and in the second example variable s is declared as a short and 10,000 is values initialized to the variable s. Next data type is int. It occupies 4 bytes, that is 32 bits of memory. It's a commonly used integer data type. It is declared using a keyword int. Its range is approximately -2 billion to +2 billion. Its default value is 0. In the first example, x is declared as int, and in the second example, a is declared as an int data type and a value of 1 lakh is initialized to that variable. Next, numeric data type is long. It occupies 8 bytes, that is 64 bits of memory. Its range is large. When large whole numbers are needed, long data types are declared using the keyword long. The letter L is appended to the end of the integer number to make it long data type. In the first example, variable second is declared as a long data type, and in the second example, value of 10 lakh is initialized to a variable a. Next, we can see about floating point data types. Real numbers are called as floating point numbers. It is used when fractional components are required. It is further classified into 2 kinds, that is float and double. First, we can see about float type. Float store numbers with decimal values. Keyword float is used to declare a variable as a float data type. It occupies 4 bytes, that is 32 bits of memory. Precision of 6 to 7 digits are allowed. That is, precision means that is number of digits after the decimal points. Okay. Next, its default value is 0.0f. Normally the letter f is appended to the number, which indicates it's a float data type. Example, variable area is declared as a float data type, and in the second example a value of 234.5 f is initialized to variable f1. Next we can see about double data type. Double also stores numbers with the decimal values. Keyword double is used to declare as a double data type. It requires 64 bits, that is 8 bytes of memory space. To maintain accuracy of values, double is used. 15 to 16 digits of precisions are allowed here. Its default value is 0.0 and D is appended to the end of the value to represent it as a double. In the example, variable area is declared as a double and a value of 3.141592 is initialized. This is about the numeric data types. Finally, we have learned about 4 data types: byte, short, int and long. Next we can see about the non-numeric data types. It is used to store values that are not numbers. It is classified into 2, characters and Boolean type. First we can see about character. Keyword char is used to declare as a character data type. It is used to declare, that is store a single character. Character is written in a single quotes. 2 bytes, that is 16 bits of size is required. Its range is from 0 to 65,536. In the example, character A is initialized to the variable area. Next, we can see about the Boolean data type. Boolean is used to represent logical values. That is, the value can be either true or false. Keyword Boolean is used to declare as a Boolean data type. 1 byte of storage is required. It has all the relational, conditional and logical operators written the Boolean values. In the example, a flag is a variable which is declared as a Boolean data type, and here true is initialized to that variable. This is all about the non-numeric data types, that is character and Boolean. These are the 8 simple data types: byte, short, int, long, char, float, double and Boolean. Here sample questions are attached. See that and please comment your answers. Thank you.